What's going on, everybody? This is Ultimate iDevice Vids, and today in this video we're going to be checking out a very clean and minimal iOS 14 home screen setup. I think the very simple one-page setup that I have here with the all black and white color scheme in combination with the colorful dock goes for a very clean look. You can see we have a custom calendar widget and some custom app icon shortcuts as well. And of course, with iOS 14, all of our other applications are accessible through the app library with just one swipe to the left in this case. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this all up now. Alright, so starting fresh here, as you can see, the first thing you want to do is download the Widgetsmith app from the App Store. Once you have that downloaded, just go ahead and launch it up once, and then close it down, and then we'll be all set to use that in just a little bit. The first thing you guys want to do is go to the first link that I have down below in the description on your device, which is to this page here. And basically, you want to add this page to your home screen through the share menu 14 times. So basically what this page allows you to do is it allows you to have a blank, completely blacked out with no label icon on your home screen. This is going to allow us to space things out a little bit on the home screen just to go for that more minimal look. So again, add 14 of these shortcuts to your home screen. And after you've done that, as you can see here, I do have 14 now. Just go ahead and take 8 of those shortcuts and drag them onto the first page of your home screen that you want to have this set up on, just at the very top. So you want that to be your first 8 icons are these blank icons, as you can see right here. And after you've done that, just go over to any blank page you have on your home screen and then select the plus button to add a widget, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and then select the Widgetsmith app that we just downloaded from the App Store. And scroll over to the medium section and select add. And as you can see here, it'll add this very nice calendar widget with the day of the month and the day of the week, which the stock one doesn't have. So that's why I prefer this one from Widgetsmith. Anyways, go ahead and move that to the next available row on your first home screen. And then take the remaining 4 blank icons and put those under that widget. And then as you can see here, we just have that one remaining row, which we're going to fill with 4 app icons. In my case, I used Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and the camera application. Now you could create an app icon shortcut to any app with any image of your choice. But for these 4, I have those 4 images that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So if you guys go into the description down below, I do have a link to a folder with all of the app icons that I'm using currently in this setup. These are images that I modified to work with this setup particularly. I'll also leave a link down below in the description to the source that I got these images from originally as well. So if you're trying to emulate exactly what I have going on here, just go ahead and download every single one of these to your device, as you can see here, and then once it's downloaded, go ahead and save it to your camera roll, as you can see right there. So I'm just going to do that for all 4 of these here, and once you have them all, again, saved to your camera roll on your device after you've downloaded them, go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your device. And once you're in here, just make sure you're in all shortcuts and then select the plus button. And then you're going to select Add Action and then hit Scripting and then select Open App. And then select Choose and then choose whichever app you want to create the app icon shortcut for. So I'm going to select YouTube in this case. And then select the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner and then select add to home screen, and then just make sure you delete the text here because I want to go for that no label clean look. Once you've done that, hold down on the little icon next to the shortcut name section and then select choose photo and go ahead and choose the photo that we downloaded earlier. Again, you could do this with any app of your choice, any image. Again, I'm just doing it for this specific setup that I'm going for here. And make sure the image is aligned properly, select choose and then hit add. And then after that, as you can see here, we will have the shortcut on the home screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this process for all the 4 applications that I'm theming. And of course, for specific images, sometimes you want to zoom in so it fits the frame a little bit better here. For the Twitter icon that I'm going to be using, you can see I zoomed in so it gets rid of that border. And as you can see there, it did add the shortcut to the home screen. And by the way, when you go back into shortcuts and you're doing this over and over, you can just hit cancel and then delete and then start a new one and so on. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Just again, repeat this process for however many custom app shortcuts you want to create. And yeah, so once you're done with that, as you can see, I have my 4 here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move these 4 onto the first home screen page on the spot for those 4 icons that I left at the bottom there. And then as you can see, here we are. We filled the first page. And of course, it still looks kind of funny because we don't have that all black wallpaper. So the blank icon's going to stick out. So let's just go into settings and set our wallpaper to the all black wallpaper in the wallpaper settings here. And after that, as you can see, there it is. It looks super clean. Again, just that all blacked out, super clean setup. But as you can see here, we still have those page dots at the bottom because we have some other pages of apps. So due to the new app library feature in iOS 14, we could easily access all apps on our device through that app library just with a swipe over to the left. So we could go ahead and hide all of the app icons from the home screen so they're only accessible through the app library. So that's what I'm going to do here. Again, just to go for that minimal setup that we're going for in this video. And once they're all hidden here, as you can see, here is the finished product that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. We have our app shortcut icons that are just easily accessible to get to our favorite applications, as you can see there, just like that. Now, the only annoyance with creating custom app icon shortcuts is when you tap on the shortcut, it takes you to Siri shortcuts first and then to your app of choice. So there is that 1 second of waiting you have to do before it redirects to your app of choice. But that is the trade-off that you make for having custom app icons. But alright everybody, that wraps it up for this video. There's some really creative stuff going around. A lot of people are making their own custom setups. So if you guys want to send me any custom setups that you've made, make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter. I'd love to see any setups that you guys have cooked up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.